Well, the number of suspected overdoses is dropping in Spokane County, according to the Regional Health District.
The CDC's data on overdose deaths is also starting to drop in the county for the first time in over 2 years. The average for suspected overdoses in 2025 was 223 per month, according to the Regional Health District. But from August through December, that number dropped to 158. Derek Strom is live in downtown Spokane, where local organizations are noticing the difference.
Kirsten, Derek, the organizations I spoke with say there isn't one single law or program that's helped decrease the number of overdoses here. One nonprofit says there's plenty more work to be done if they want this trend to continue. Starting in August, the number of suspected overdoses in Spokane County were at the lowest level since 2023, and overdose deaths fell last year as well. Local organizations like the Spokane Business Association say the work done by the city, law enforcement, and nonprofits have made a difference.
I think you could tie that back to just shifts in how the city is working with the people that are on the streets, the unsheltered homeless populations, and moving them into services.
SBA says the city's Safe and Accessible Spaces ordinance has helped the city direct people to services by giving law enforcement the ability to hand out citations for unlawful camping. It also credits first responders for building relationships and trust to get people the help they need. Other organizations like Gabriel's Challenge, a nonprofit focused on addressing the fentanyl crisis, believes wider distribution of naloxone or Narcan has helped curb overdoses.
Whether it's the Spokane Regional Health District and Pioneer Human Services dropping off naloxone even at Gabriel's Challenge, and people are able to pick it up without stigma. That's been, I think, removing that barrier and the stress of the stigma of getting help.
Gabriel's Challenge is focused on creating more programs to help young people dealing with addiction and believes local organizations aren't doing enough to help 18 to 25-year-olds. It says that's the next step towards continuing the trend of fewer overdoses across the county. Both the Spokane Business Association and Gabriel's Challenge hope that local governments, nonprofits, law enforcement, and faith-based organizations can continue to work together to address the opioid crisis here. Live in Spokane, Derek Strom, 4 News Now.